Good morning, I'm Nima and this week's hot topic is the British pound and tomorrow's Super Thursday. Let's jump right in this week and find out why investors are bracing for major market moves with the British pound tomorrow. Well, tomorrow, Thursday, August 6th, has been coined as Super Thursday by some analysts. The reason for this is for the first time in history, the Bank of England, known as the BOE, will announce their August interest rate decision, then immediately publish the minutes of their meeting, and then also present the quarterly inflation report. Let's break down the possible impact of each event for the GBP and other markets. Firstly, we start with the BOE interest rate decision. Any increase of the interest rate is generally viewed as positive or bullish for the GBP. Likewise, if the BOE keeps the ongoing interest rate or cuts the interest rate, it is seen as negative or bearish. Now, although BOE Governor Mark Carney has recently suggested that the UK could be ready to raise interest rates, many analysts are not expecting any changes, but they are expecting major volatility before and after the announcement. Secondly, we have the BOE minutes, which are of particular interest to investors as they provide full accounts of discussions during the interest rate decision, general economic policy, and difference between policy votes. Investors will be looking for the first votes for an interest rate hike from at least a couple of the members, which could give the sterling a boost, particularly against its major counterparts, the euro and the US dollar. Lastly, we have the BOE's quarterly inflation report, which gives an analysis of inflation projections and presents an assessment of the prospects for UK inflation. A high reading is likely to be positive for the GBP because confidence is being showed in the economic growth. But this report could also give us more clarity on how soon interest rates could increase. So what are investors watching out for? First thing is the BOE minutes to see if any members voted to increase interest rates or for any evidence of dissension amongst members. Next, the markets will be looking for indications that inflation could rebound more quickly towards its 2% target, as higher inflation may lead to higher interest rates, which could then strengthen the sterling. Finally, we are seeing some investors positioning themselves for a positive message to come out of the bank, which of course leaves the sterling exchange rates exposed to any negative messaging by policymakers. Regardless, GBP and FTSE traders are certainly getting geared up for potential trading opportunities. So the question is, how will Super Thursday move the markets? Tell us what you think could happen to the GBP. Comment below, let us know your thoughts. Once again, I'm Nima and you've been watching The Hot Topic.